Investigation data analysis energy systems. The multi-stage fitness test is a demanding test in the sense that it involves long sustained periods of running back and forth and test a person's cardiovascular fitness greatly. This test would require a lot of energy and muscle contraction, which therefore means that the resynthesis of ATP is needed a lot. The energy system dominant during the multi-stage fitness test and the Wingate test would both be different, as both these tests demand different things. For example, the multi-stage fitness test would use the aerobic system as the dominant system, as it is over a long period of time and therefore requires a lot of muscle contraction and therefore a lot of ATP, which the aerobic system provides, as this can provide 38 ATP. On the other hand, the Wingate test consists of a fast maximal contractions, which therefore means that the system could be the ATP/PC system as the dominant system, as this provides a short burst of high intense energy. In both the graphs above, we can see blood lactate being measured. The reason we use blood lactate in order to measure for these energy systems is because of the amount of lactic acid in the blood will show what energy systems have been used, as well as how much they have been. For example, the lactic acid system is clearly present during the Wingate test, as blood lactate has massively increased in the post-test recording as opposed to the pre-test recording. This will be due to the fact that the lactic acid system would have been used after the ATP/PC system, as the test lasted 20 seconds and that can only be dominant for 10 seconds. We see less blood lactate in the multi-stage fitness test, as although the lactic acid system would have been used for a less significant amount of time, as the aerobic system, once has kicked in, would be the dominant system for this test.